Alrighty, this is another 3D printer video, not a laser engraver printer video. I'm all ready for this thing. I've got my Raspberry Pi that I'm setting up for Octoprint. I think that's going to be pretty cool. I've been printing some things for this. I just happen to have a Logitech camera that fit this mount that I found on Thingiverse. So I added this mount so I can do time-lapse and use it with Octoprint so I can watch and monitor my print jobs remotely. Of course, the very first thing you do is add these large knobs on here, and that's a great help. I also printed the strain relief for the bed and the indicator for the extruder so I know it's moving. And I printed this for the dial indicator, and then I also downloaded the G-code for it that somebody made so that I can level the bed with a dial indicator mounted in here, and it's coming in the morning, so I can't wait to check all that out. I think that's all I've printed for the printer. This is going to be cool. I like this. I am going to do the ball bearing. There's one on there for the ball bearings to hang your filament so that it rolls easier. So I'm going to make that one next. I've got some bearings already. And okay, let's talk about lasers for a minute, since that's what I've been doing. Here is my next project. My light object motorized Z-axis has gone bye-bye, and I have commissioned these parts from Randy Smith that makes the Holga Mods motorized Z-axis, and the only thing I don't have is the aluminum. I'm going to pick it up locally, and that way the shipping was faster and cheaper. Not so much work on him, but everything else is in here. So my intention is, we will talk about lasers. My intentions are to take up all of that area. I want that entire area on the motorized Z-axis. Now, that motor sticks down below the frame, so if I mount the frame in here, I'm going to have to cut a hole out and then put my machine up on some standoffs or some taller feet. I have seriously contemplated these mount in 1-inch aluminum, and then the aluminum frame sits in there. And I may have to do it this way, and I can still get the bed all the way down to there. And then I guess I can make it where I can take it out if I need to put a rotary in or something. I had seriously thought about drilling 4 holes in the bottom of the machine and running these up through it so that, where'd it go? So that all of this stuff from my thumbnail down was actually underneath the machine. The only thing that would be sticking up would be the bed, and the bed would go almost all the way to the bottom. I mean, just whatever the thickness of that bushing is would be the only thing holding the bed from actually touching the bottom of the machine, and that would give me some latitude for deeper objects. I haven't decided if I'm going to go that far with it yet or not, but anyway, I'm going to be playing with this. I don't think my screws, actually, my screws may be long enough. As long as I keep my my focal point. Well, I don't know. I'll play with that. But anyway, new, improved, bigger Z-axis coming with no frame around the top, so it'll give me a lot more abilities. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'll check back in with you guys later. I'm going to play with my printer again tonight, and then go source the materials to start building on the Z table. So I'll keep you guys informed on that. All right, from the shed quarters, Tech Bravo is out.